Hello. Testing. I'm assuming I'm live. We're good. Yeah, I'm assuming we're good. What's up, guys? Whoa, you look different. Yeah, it's because I actually just like slicked my hair back. And then I like shaved my shaved my beard and like trimmed it, so I don't look so homeless anymore. That's funny. So I basically groomed myself. Yeah, no, I was looking at a Jesus coin. I'm still looking at it right now because um, I, I don't know if I told you guys I didn't buy it. I downloaded Uniswap on my phone, so I don't even know like how to use it. I'm still trying to figure it out, but you know, um, I'm looking at Jesus coin right now. It's on my little watch list, but uh, yeah, I also don't know. I mean, is it better? Is it better to is it better to buy Doge on Mars on Uniswap than it is on like Gemini? Does anybody actually know the answer to that? Because I'm curious to know if there's any benefits in adding Ethereum coins like Dogelon and Jesus Coin on Uniswap rather than actually on Gemini. So yeah. Let's check the chat. What's up? What's up, Roy's Army? What's up, Cryinks? What's up, Flip Coins? Hey, crypto. Tough day for my coins. I'm right here with you, man. My coins, my coins are garbage too right now, unfortunately. What's up, Gearhead? What's up, Karia? Let's see. What's up, OJ? What's up, for profits? 40 billion Doge on Mars. That's a good amount. I think that's around how much I have. So that's a good amount. I mean, it went up to 12K again, right? Because it hit the three, but then now it's all the way back down. And I'm like, what the heck? Like we just lost like $4,000. Like we didn't lose it because theoretically we're already in, but it's just another spike. So it's unfortunate. Yes, it's because it's actually in your possession on Uniswap rather than Gemini is holding it and it's not yours. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Now, does it, when I buy and sell, how much does it affect the price? Because I know on Gemini there isn't that much liquidity. So you have to actually sell into people's buy walls, which does push the price down, especially like, and I'm not saying I'm going to sell, but I'm saying like for me, I have like 40 billion coins. So does that mean that when I sell, I get the price what it's showing? Because in Gemini, it might push the price all the way down by like 2 or 3 points percent. So unless there, at that time there's a buy wall or someone putting up 40 billion coins at that price. I'm good. Thanks for asking, Carla. How are you? What's up? Gearhead. The only thing is that the peak bull run ETH gas feels will be high. Oh, okay. Why do you like making live videos? Well, Carla, the reason why is because I'm trying to do this as like a job, like a side job, right? Because obviously I live in California and California is expensive. So I do pump out a lot of videos, but the ad revenue on the videos isn't that much. It's around like $2, $3, $4, $5. Now it's gone to the point where it's like $5, $2 to $5 a day on just the ad revenue. But the lives, it's better for the ad revenue, and it does give people the opportunity to come in here, hang out, and we can look at their coins live. It does increase the opportunity of memberships. So if people like what they see, they can become members. And then if people appreciate and not appreciate, but if people want to super chat, they can. And it does increase my like revenue, like my YouTube revenue. So that's why I do it. But yeah. Depends how much you buy. That's called Slip His. Research it more. Yeah, no, I saw that. It's like and you could actually customize the slippage on it, but I don't know. We'll see. I mean, the only coin I'm gonna really buy on Uniswap is gonna be Jesus Coin, but also I'm not gonna buy it when it's up like 150% from when I first saw it. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna buy it right now, but obviously I do have my eyes on it. So what's up, Free Lightning? Dogecoin should hit $1 easily at this point. Probably. I mean, it looks like we're like, yeah, we're always I mean, we're really, really, really consolidating sideways, and we're actually holding every single point. It was like 34 cents. Last time we looked at it, it was 34 cents, and it's actually holding. The Truth Trill, what's up, man? Is that job hard? What job? My job or my YouTube, like the YouTube job? The YouTube job. It's not really a job. I would say it's like a side hustle. Nobody talking about SudoSwap, DApp Radar, Open Custody Protocol. Actually, I've made some videos on Open Custody Protocol, and I know a lot of people ask about this coin. So we'll take a look at it for you in a second. What's up, Flex? Cocky went down. Can you check the new targets? Well, let's see. Oh no, it's not on Sol. It's on AVAX. It would be here. So let's see where. Yeah. So Flex, based on my chart, nothing has changed, right? We said as long as it's below 502. And it's above 5015, it is going to be consolidating in resistance. So theoretically, if you guys wanted to sell it, and if you had sold at the higher part of the band at resistance at 502, congratulations on securing some profits. And then if you didn't, then your best bet is to wait and hold and hope that 5015 holds and you get a consolidation within this range. Literally, we came up, we smacked against it, and we literally didn't break over it at all, got rejected. Now we're coming back down. So nothing has changed. And yeah, that's these targets are still valid. So however long it takes, whether it takes a month or 6 months or whatever, as long as it's consolidating in this level, it's fine, because you're not going down and retesting this previous low, right? And you really want to avoid that. You really want to avoid breaking 5015. Hopefully we get a bounce from here, and when we get a bounce, we break 502, and then from there I'd say cocky new to the moon. So, and then Open Custody Protocol. Oops, no. I do not want to follow Open Custody Protocol, sorry. Damn it, unfollow. Okay. So taking a look at Open Custody Protocol, very small market cap, not bad. It looks like it's almost fully diluted at this point, so also not bad. Yeah, we had a nice little bounce actually, but I think we're still getting stuck at the 236. Yeah, so actually no, we looked at this last time, and we said that as long as it's under 2 cents 36, it is still bearish. And then as long as at this point there's no more support for Open Custody Protocol, it would just literally have to be, it would have to hold this previous low at 204. Unfortunately, we're consolidating, and it's really hard when you have a coin that's all the way near its all-time low, and it's consolidating and it's in a bigger downtrend. It's very hard. It's really hard to predict because once we break the 236 and we stay over it, then we can say, hey, look, the next level is this, and if it doesn't hit, then this level needs to hold, and if this doesn't hold, then it could either go down here or break down. You really don't know at what point it's going to actually reverse. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Open Custody Protocol, and yeah, that's all I got. I have all 3 of those at low. I'm up good, and I'm not taking profits for real till January or April. Well, if you bought the low here, yeah, you're still up like, well, first of all, congratulations, because you literally like 5x your money, but if you're still holding, you're still up 114%. So I'd say that for anybody that wants to, theoretically accumulate, given that this is the bottom, that it's bottomed, this would be an accumulation zone, right? So as long as it stays over 2047, this would be accumulation. And then when it goes bullish, hopefully next time we draw a big candle and we actually stay over 2 cents 36, which is going to be a 5x again from if it does go down that low. So not financial advice, just my opinion. What's your opinion on why the rest of the market following Bitcoin? Well, it's not following Bitcoin right now. A lot of the coins aren't. Some coins aren't. Carla, I have a question. Do you have any haters? Why are you asking that question? If anybody, if anything, if I have any haters, they just get banned, and I don't see any other messages, or they just get banned from the channel, so it doesn't really matter. But that's a pretty odd thing to ask on YouTube. Do you have any haters? Why? Are you one? And do you want to get banned? Need some hopium and tough love. Hey, Flipcoins, thank you so much for the 10. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you so much. What coins do you need me to look at for you, Flipcoins? Okay, wait. Right off the bat, I'm assuming it's Billy. Taking a look at Billy. So yeah, unfortunately, we got stuck at 10 cents. And we are now actually below 4 cents 60, so that's not good. Yeah, so as of right now, so I'm going to delete that because we don't know if this is the low. So unfortunately, the next area of support for Billy is going to be 2 cents 90 if we don't get some sort of reversal. Let's look at the RSI because that is a pretty big sell-off. Yeah, so RSI still isn't oversold. Not that it necessarily needs to hit oversold. Sometimes we do get a recovery and we'll make a higher high, but that's a kind of a gamble. I'd say that hopefully we get a reversal, and if we do, you're looking at 10 cents, and then 12 cents, 23 cents is still in play. And on the downside, unfortunately, the next area of support that needs to hold is going to be a 30% capitulation. So if we do continue with the sell-off with Billy, you are looking at 2 cents 90 needing to hold, because you'd argue that that's still bullish since you're making higher lows across the table. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then let's see. And then I'm assuming you want me to do used car. And let's read what the chat says, actually. Oh, what's up, Rayhan? How are you? I'm good. Thank you for asking. Carla might be a troll. Haters. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, that's that's kind of a weird question to come in here and ask. Do you have any haters? Like, it's like almost like as if they want you to acknowledge them being a hidden hater, right? So it's like a, it's and I don't know where that came from. It's you gotta like ask yourself, hey, like there's something clearly wrong with that question, or with somebody who comes in here and says that, like, whether it's whatever it is. Carla might be a troll. I think BTC enjoys just range until Black Friday. Hopefully. Hella sketch question. Yeah, I know. It is what it is. Carla, stop hating on my boy. Yeah, I mean, for every 100 people that watch, it just comes with the territory. For every 100 people that watch, you're of course going to get a hater. Yeah, so unfortunately with used car, yeah, Flipcoins, I'm sorry, we broke everything. We never broke over resistance, and now we've actually broken below support. So I do need to draw all my targets at this point. So from the low to the high at this point, yeah, so the next area of support is going to be 2076. At any point, if that doesn't hold, and if we don't bottom here, which keep in mind that is around a 20% drop. you're looking at, you know, hopefully we bounce from there, and if we don't, then 2049 absolutely needs to hold, because that is a 786, and that is the next area of support for used car. In terms of the targets up, we are still at 3.75. We could get a reversal here. Let's look at the RSI. Oops, I actually have to. There we go. Yeah, so looking at the RSI, we are close to being oversold, and the stock RSI has reset, so maybe we might get some sort of recovery bounce right now. Keep in mind that if this was the bottom and we do get a recovery bounce, we do have resistance on used car at around 13 to 16, so 110.30 to 110.60. So in case it does go up back to these levels, which is around a 70% pump, obviously you're gonna get these big swings because it's a small market cap coin, and you know that. We could still get rejected. We'd be making a lower high, and we have the area of support at 2076 is still in play. So just FYI, I hope that made sense. I'll just probably hold at this point. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I think when it goes, it goes. The liquidity to market cap ratio isn't bad at all. Like, you're looking at 3.3 million with 605,000 of liquidity. I'm not a hater. Yeah, Carla, I wasn't saying you're a hater. I'm just saying, like, you know, there's you can't really please everybody in the world, right? And so it's just random for someone just to come in here and ask that. I'm not saying you're a hater. I'm just saying, like, what made you come in here and then ask that question, right? So it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of a red flag, because there's something wrong with that, in my opinion. Like, it's almost as if, like, you want to say that you're the hater in the chat, right? What's up, peeps? So what's up, Sopco? It's okay, Carla. You'll be all right. Yeah, Carla's coins are about to go to the moon, and then she'll be all right. Flip coins. What other coins would you like me to look at for you? Thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate you. I appreciate all the super chats. Roberto, what's up? How about Algo? Ugh, Algo. Hold on, let me check OXC really quick. Oh, OXC's okay. That's not bad. Algo. Taking a look at Algo. Sup, dude? Got a question? That's funny. That is pretty funny. Yeah, it's like a complete 360. So for Algo, actually not bad. We are actually over the 236 as of right now. Keeping it very simple. As long as we're over 19 cents, the next target is going to be around 32 cents. So that is the next macro target, and macro resistance. It is 32 cents. Keep in mind that that is also the 382 from the high to the low. So once we break that and stay over that, I'd say I'll go to the moon, and that's pretty much it. Sneck and Myro. Sneck and Myro. You're in Sneck? You're in the ADA coin? Tashi. What's up, Tashi? Can you check Omni Network and CKB? Yes, I can. Let's take a look at this. And then I'll take a look at, yeah, so taking a look at Sneck, Myro, and then Omni Network and CKB. So taking a look at Sneck for flip coins, very bullish. Wow. So from the high to the low, clearly we are stuck at the previous all-time high. As of right now, 208 is going to be the next target in terms of the next move up. Keep in mind that support needs to hold at the 236,382 for any sort of continuation up. I mean, we're really, yeah, I mean, as long as it stays over 2022 on the macro time frame. If we do get a sell off and it stays over, then I'd say 208 is in play. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then Myro, I have a graph for that. Taking a look at Myro, which we actually have a saved graph for this. Yeah, so we are actually over resistance, so this is very bullish as of right now. Congratulations. You see we broke out and now we're coming back and retesting our area of resistance. So as of right now, Myro is 20 cents is in play. Once 20 cents breaks and we stay over it, 29 cents, 49 cents, or sorry, 46 cents. And then you're looking at Myro to the moon at up to $1.58. But again, we don't need to really change anything right now unless we break below 9 cents or if we break 20 cents. Everything is solid right now. Everything's in play right now. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And I hope that made sense. And congratulations on Myro. I know, you know, the other two coins weren't so good, but it looks like Myro is doing pretty good right now, and it's staying up pretty strong. So let's take a look at Omni Network. Omni Network. I don't think I've checked this coin yet. Omni Network. Okay, so like fully diluted right off the bat is 808 million, 77 million market cap. It's very this coin just came out in April of this year, so just be careful. You know, the circulation supply is only 9%, right? It's only 9% distributed. Yeah, 9.61% distributed. So be careful, because if they release coins, it does push the price down and it does make it harder to get back to these price levels. It just takes more volume and more buying power. So in terms of TA on Omni Network goes, nothing's bullish until we break the 236382. Unfortunately, there is no more area of support for Omni Network. It would just be $6.15. For whatever reason, if 615 doesn't hold, then we're obviously going to come back down, next level down, and we'd be stuck in this downtrend, right? Keep in mind that we can also come up to $11 and still be bearish. So what we really want to see is a breakout above $11, and then we could say that Omni is macro bullish. We do have resistance at $8.70 and $11, so we can't come back up and still get rejected. And at that point, this floor absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to go back. Otherwise, we are going to get a bigger capitulation and move down, which does put us in this downtrend. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And then CKB. Oh, Nervous Network. Yeah, I got a couple people always coming in here and asking about this. Taking a look at CKB. I'm assuming I need to look at XRP and XLM. Yeah, XLM is going to overtake XRP. And Litecoin. I'm gonna store some Litecoin. Hell no, I'm not. So, taking a look at CKB. Yeah, so in terms of CKB goes, we are over the 382. So as long as it stays over 1 cent 24, it is still bullish. I'd say bull run once we break and get over 1 cent 90, which is going to be the next area of resistance. 2 cent 60. You're looking at 3 cent 70. And then 11 cents. So I don't think anything has actually changed from the last time we looked at this. As long as it's over 1 cent 20, then we are looking at a macro bull run. So keep in mind, back up to its previous March high, it is around 189%. And then if we're going to go make higher highs in price discovery, it does look like we do have a fib up here at 11 cents, which is around an 800% pump. So keep in mind, an 800% pump is an 8x. So obviously that is going to put the market cap still relatively around the range of $5 billion. Keep in mind that this coin has never been $5 billion. They have released coins throughout the history of this coin. Clearly you can see the price over here was 3 cents 70, and then the price here was 3 cents 10. But the market cap is significantly higher in the 1.3 billion relative to its 895 million. So just as long as you're aware of that, you should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it for CKB. So thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that, and I hope that made sense. And yeah, that's it. Yay. Yeah, you're welcome, Roberto. Hey, what's up, Jamil? How are you? Welcome to the live stream. Thank you for always showing up to the live stream. Can we look at SwiftCoin? Yes. I'm up 175 on open custody protocol. Let's go. So let's look at SwiftCoin. Some good news. BTC had the highest close ever again. Yeah, 94,000. So let's take a look at SwiftCoin. Yeah, so nothing has changed. Nothing has changed with SwiftCoin. So unfortunately, we are still consolidating in resistance as of right now. So nothing is bullish with SwiftCoin until we break the 236382. So keep in mind that we do have resistance at 2031 to 2038. So as long as we're in this box, nothing's bullish. And then keep in mind on the macro time frame, we do have support at 23. So as long as it stays up here and we're making this higher low and still consolidating, but also making higher lows, then I'd say very bullish. And once we break out, and once we break 2038, then SwiftCoin to the moon. But 2031 needs to hold, and the worst case scenario, 2023 on the downside. So some good news. BTC at the highest. Oh yeah. So Sanjeevan, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. I wouldn't doubt that with XLM, I sold during that big pop. Nice. At least good job making money. PNG spell BitDAO GST token. You got it, Sanjeevan. I'll get that to you in 1 second. Hey, can you do Vara Network and Goldfinch Protocol? Thank you, Advance. Yeah, so you're going to have to wait because I got some super chats. So let me do the super chats, and then yeah, I can look at everyone's coins. So Free Lightning, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. I'm assuming that was for SwiftCoin, but if you need me to look at anything else, let me know, as always, and I will look at it for you. And thank you so much for the super chat. So taking a look at Sanjeevan's coins, PNG, is it over 23? No, damn. It was just at 25 cents though. So as far as PNG goes, nothing has changed with our targets. Unfortunately, we are still consolidating in resistance. Well, actually, every single time we break under resistance, we get a nice pop back up. So actually, a couple days ago, yeah, actually, no, what was it? Yeah, we were just at 25 cents and then now we had a nasty sell-off. So with PNG, nothing is bullish until we break 23 to 29 cents. So 23 cents needs to absolutely break. And same thing, literally it's been happening for the last 3 months. So August, September, October, we're going on 4 months now of PNG consolidating sideways, and it is consolidating in this range. So we are getting stuck heavily at this area of resistance. Keep in mind for PNG, the next area of support is around 18 cents. So this target hasn't changed either. So just in case we do get a nasty sell-off, around 17, 18 cents absolutely needs to hold. And then I'd say that once we break 29 cents and stay over it, we're probably going to come retest the 81 cents, followed by the 786 retracement from the high to the low, which is around $1.34. So that's pretty much it for PNG. Spell token, let's see what Spell's doing. Oh, it's actually still over, it's doing good. It's actually still over 307. So Spell token has a shot. Let's go Spell token. So taking a look at Spell token. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break 309. And we already knew that on the macro time frame. But on the shorter time frame, as long as we stay over 307, which we just said earlier, we are looking at retesting 2018, 2019, and then once that happens, that is literally 382 from the high to the low. So once we break that, I'd say Spell token to the moon. You're looking at 203, 205, and from there, to the moon. But with any sort of sell-off, we do need to stay over 307, because if we don't, we are going to get a bigger capitulation down, and hopefully we don't make a lower low and validate this downtrend that we're in. So what we really want to see is we really need to get over the macro 382, which we actually tagged before, and stay over it, and then we can actually say that, you know, spell token to the moon and spell token macro bull run started. So key targets 307 and 2018. I know this is a big range, but so far so good. As long as we can stay closed over 307, we're solid. So yeah, let's take a look at BitDAO. Is it over 75 cents? BitDAO. Oh, it's still at 75 cents. Okay, so taking a look at BitDAO. So from the high to the low, yeah, so nothing's bullish until we break 93 cents. We already knew that. And then we have support at what, like 54 cents or something? Yeah, 54 cents. So Sanjeevan, unfortunately, nothing has changed from the last time that we looked at BitDAO. Unfortunately, we are still consolidating in you know, above support and below resistance. Key targets 93 cents and 54 cents. We really need to break over and stay over 93 cents. Once that breaks, then we can argue for some sort of bull run. But if not, then we do have to worry about coming down and tagging 54 cents as an area of support. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Free lightning. I have to head out, but I appreciate the stream. And as always, take care. Yeah, thank you so much. And again, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you. And have a great night. GST. Oh, you just GST. There's a couple other people. Oh, Aloe looks at GST too. Mr. Aloe Vera. From the high to the low. Nothing's bullish until we break 4 cents, which we already knew. But are we over resistance at this point? That's a good question. From the high to the low, no. So we're actually, yeah. So unfortunately with GST, damn, so close, dude. That sucks. We did not stay over 18. It's pretty bad. Yeah. So unfortunately, we don't have any more support. We just have to hope that we don't come down to these lows. In terms of 201. Sorry, not 201. 2099. So like around 1 cent. As long as we get some sort of follow through, if we get a follow through that pushes us over in this box, in this area of resistance, then I'd say that there could be a continuation up to 4 cents 20. But that's like hopium, because unfortunately, like, we're under it. So yeah, not good. But we'll just have to wait and see. Honestly. And yeah, Solon, thank you so much for the super chat. I hope all that made sense, and thank you so much for that. Can you take a look at Vara and Goldfinch? Yeah, so Vara got rejected. Oh, talking about Vara, hold on. There was someone that asked about Vara, and I want to get that person to come to the live stream so I can explain it to her. Yeah, to her. I think it's a her. I don't know. I just say, come check out the live stream. I'll explain it to you. That's how I'm gonna get people to come to my live stream. They're like, hey, because they comment on my videos and like, hey, like, can you look at this? I'm just gonna be like, come to my live stream and streams, and I can always look it up for you on live stream. You know, instead of just making separate videos, which again, I really want to stick to the membership coins like every single week. But I'll still do it. I mean, I'm not, it's fine. Let me just comment on a couple more, and then comment on a couple more, and then we can I can check the chat. Oh, Goldfinch and the other one was, I don't know, but I'll check it right now. Goldfinch and Vara. Yeah, got it. So taking a look at Goldfinch. So is Goldfinch still over $1? Yeah, Goldfinch is doing good. So Goldfinch is still over $1. Okay, so I'll take a look at Goldfinch, Vara, I'll respond to Billy, or sorry, I'll respond to Flipcoins. I'll do Carrot, and then I'll do Kronos. So taking a look at Goldfinch, yeah, unfortunately nothing has changed from the last time we looked at it. We came all the way down to $1 and we bounced from the 382. So as long as on the macro time frame it stays over $1, like $1.05 this area, then it is still macro bullish. In terms of resistance go on the shorter time frame goes, we do have resistance at $1.60 to $2.03, which we actually said before. So whoever bought this bounce and actually sold resistance, that was around 133% pump. So congratulations on that. So once 203 does break, I'd say we're probably going to go back up and retest this, and then from there to the moon. But on the way down, $1.05 needs to hold. And then Vara, taking a look at Vara, I think we got stuck at resistance. So nothing's bullish. Did they release coins? I don't know. Let's see, because that would be shady if they pump the price and they release coins, right? Hold on, let me see. Oh, they did release coins in October. You can see it here. You see this little pop, and the price actually went down. So that's what I'm talking about. It's very subtle, but you gotta like have an eye for it. But other than that, no. So, all right. So taking a look at Vara, I hate when they do that. So just be careful with coins that come out. Yeah, so with Vara, so from the high to the low, we actually smacked against the 236. So we got rejected at the 236, but congratulations to whoever bought the low, because that was around 140% pump. You guys are still up 59%. So keep in mind that with Vara, as long as we're under 3 cents, it is bearish. In terms of support goes at this point, yeah, there is no more, hold on. Yeah, so next area of support for Vara as of right now is 2 cents 30. If that doesn't hold for whatever reason, then we're probably going to come back down to the lows. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. What's your biggest bag of Elon? What's your biggest bag of crypto? I feel like you should know that if you watch me. I only have 2 coins, so you should know that. Let me know what you think I have. Well, you know I have Elon. So what do you mean what's my biggest bag? You want to know how many coins I have? And then what do you mean what's your biggest bag of crypto? Okay, think Billy and used car will run again? Well, that's a good question. Yeah, so the thing it was with used car. Hey DZ, I see you. What's up, man? Thanks for making it to the live stream. Yeah. I'll take a look at both coins right now for you. I have to look at used car, Billy. I'll look at Superverse, Swell, Kronos, and then Carrot. Sorry if tell the truth. I'll do Kronos first. I'll do Kronos first. So do I think used car can come back? Yes, I do. Also mostly because, oh man. Yeah, I mean, like, right now it's getting to the point where we're getting really oversold. And the stock RSI is all the way reset. So I wouldn't necessarily sell now. Like, if you were to sell, and if you're, like, over it, then I would probably wait until we get some sort of bounce. Now, the bounce can take you anywhere between 40% and 70%. So just, you got to decide. Because if you don't, then if you miss it, then this thing's going to happen again. But over here, where it's just going to take us down to 207. And then with Billy goes, I think Billy's like, you know, first of all, this is even a smaller market cap, but Billy, I think, I don't know if Billy's going to go back up. I really don't. It's just, I like used car better than Billy, because I think it's more of a gamble. It's a higher risk, but also it's like, it's Dogecoin in a Honda. So, yeah. Let's take a look at Kronos really quick for for tell the truth. Yeah, so from the high to the low, yeah, we're over the 382, very bullish for Kronos. We got rejected at the 0.5. Once we get over 21 cents, you're looking at 30 cents, 50 cents, previous high, and then up to $6.11 for Kronos. Very, very, very important areas of support that it absolutely needs to hold. It does coincide with the 382. So it is going to be around 15 cents. So with Kronos, just keep in mind it absolutely needs to hold 15 cents. If it does, then all these targets are valid on the upside. However, if it breaks below 15, then we're probably going to come back down to the lows. No financial advice, just my opinion. I don't even want to look at it anymore. Yeah, I don't even want to look at my coin anymore, but I do. Damn. Brutal. What's the other coin? Okay, Superverse. Oh, I've made videos on this. I think I made videos on this for you. So take a look at Superverse. Did we double top? That's not good. Did they release coins? Oh. Yeah, it seems like they did release coins, but they released coins back here, but not anymore. Because you can see that the market cap triple topped, and you can see that relatively close. It's $1.90. $1.49 actually they did release coins, and $1.44. So you know they did dilute it a little bit. It did triple top almost on the market cap. But yeah, let's just look at the TA in terms of the current price right now. So I guess from the high to the low, yeah, this thing. But also keep in mind that this thing's already went up like 20x, yeah, 23x. So very bullish. It actually came back down for a 382 retracement, and then we're getting a bounce now. So as of right now, I would say, yeah, so as of right now, I'd say anything over $1.17, very bullish. We tested $1.61, $3.94, which is actually this previous high, and then up to 16. Very different way that I did that, and it's because they did release coins, so I don't want to use the most frequent data, right? So the 236 does coincide with the 786, so that is a crucial area that it needs to stay over. However, keep in mind that as long as it stays over 93 cents, these targets are still all valid. So 93 cents to $1.16 needs to hold. $1.61 as of right now is in play as long as we stay over this box. You're looking at $3.99 next, and then price discovery up to $17. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And then you want Swell. Is this the coin that they just added to Coinbase or no? I was thinking, yeah, they did just add this to Coinbase. Yeah, so be careful with this coin. It looks like it's not fully diluted at all. The market cap is 46 million. The fully diluted is 356 million. So keep in mind they did release coins yesterday. You can see it right here. So I wouldn't. So just expect some sort of pullback on the price. Not financial advice, just my opinion, obviously. But just be careful with this coin. This coin came out November 7th. And they're just releasing coins now, so. Yeah, so very little TA I can do. If this isn't the bottom for Swell, then we're probably going to go much, much lower. Keep in mind that we have resistance. Again, very, very, very simple TA. We have resistance. Anything under 4 cents 40 is bearish for Swell. And again, keep in mind they are releasing coins, so just expect some sort of sell-off and downtrend forming, because nothing's bullish when you get a coin like this that's not fully diluted. That's 13% diluted, and then when you click on the market cap, you see that the coin came out on November 7th, and they started releasing coins on November 18th. So just FYI. I'm not saying the price can't go up. I'm just saying be careful with it. No financial advice. It could go to $1. You know what I mean? So good luck with that. Let's see. Did I miss anything? Paid in full, what's up? Can you look at VibeCat? Yeah. I think we have a graph for you, right? Taking a look at VibeCat. Yeah, so unfortunately there was I had to do TA on the 1 hour because there was barely any data. But you are up 103% on the 24 hour, so congratulations on that. Keep in mind that the next target is 4 cents, which is around 100% pump from the current price, and then it needs to stay over 2.048. So very simple enough financial advice. Roberto for the 1, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Can we check Doge and Bitcoin? I know you probably already looked at them, but thanks. Yeah, you know what? I already looked at them. Can't look at them for you. Sorry. I'm just joking. With Dogecoin, we said that 41 cents is resistance. The macro 786 actually. We're getting stuck at it right now. From the high to the low, nothing is bullish until we break the 786. You see, we got stuck at 41 cents, and again, 73 cents and $4 is in play. And keep in mind that, I guess, support, yeah, it was 23 to 30 cents. Absolutely needs to hold. So with Dogecoin, 23 to 30 cents with any sort of big drop down needs to absolutely hold. Hey, come here, VibeCat. Hey. Come here. This is VibeCat. This is VibeCat right here. Okay, she can go. You can go. I'm sorry. It's okay. She owes me. I gave her tons of treats today. Yeah. Why are you buying VibeCat when clearly you could be vibing with this cat? Let's see. Well, she's in my chat. She's in my chat right now. Sorry, I don't know if you asked for another one. Can you look at Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, so all my targets are still valid for Bitcoin. We're still looking at 96,000, which I think is the next target. We're basically almost at it. Sorry, 94. What did I say? 96? Why do I keep saying? Yeah, so it's because I draw my fib a little bit different every single time. Yeah, so we're looking at 96,000, and then 145,000 is my price prediction up to. So I think we are going to get some sort of pullback though. So, and I know people are going to be like, "Oh my God, I don't care." I'm telling you, like, this is my game plan. If I'm wrong, then I'm losing money, right? You guys don't have to follow me. You guys don't have to like follow me, but you know, this is all just opinion. Everyone can have an opinion, and the most important thing is like don't like come up with your own opinion, right? Because then you're not going to be sold on other people's opinions. If you have a game plan, then you're never going to say, "Oh yeah, like hey, you steered me the wrong way," right? You're going to take accountability and say, "Oh well, I chose this." So very important. But my game plan is 95 to 145, and I think we are going to get some sort of pullback, and that is the unpopular opinion. But I do think that, so like last time with this big move up, like if we had, so let's see, like from this move to here, it was a 236, right? So I guess if this is the top, then you're gonna, I guess you're just gonna do this right here, and that would take you down to like 61K. I don't know if it's actually gonna go down to 61K. Like I don't think it's gonna go that low, but I think that maybe 75 to 82K, and then we're basically gonna blast up on out of here. And the reason we need to really, with Bitcoin, we really need to look at the RSI. The RSI is way overbought, and keep in mind on the daily the RSI is about to go below the moving average. So every single time that happens, like every single time we get some sort of correction. So there's only so much longer we can actually stay in the green, right? Just keep in mind, I know these drops weren't that bad, right? This was 25%. But at this point, like, what is 25% from here, right? 25% is going to be around like 65, 66K, right? Just be careful. You never want to buy, like, you don't want to look back in the future and say, oh my God, like I bought at the top, right? You don't want to do that. So, did we look at VibeCat? Yeah, we did. I just, yeah, and then I went and grabbed my cat. That's right. It does look like my cat. Oh yeah, that's what yeah, it really does look like my cat. Are you, oh yeah, you're a celebrity. Hey, you're a celebrity. Oh my gosh, I need to start making merch. Like VibeCat merch. You're gonna like sue me. You're gonna be like, what? Hey, you're taking our idea. What's up, Brendan? What's up from Wisconsin or Hawaii, wherever you are, or Maine? Hey, what's up, Meow? Can we take another look at XRP and HBAR? You're welcome. I think it'll go back down to 80K, you're right, but we'll shoot up. Yeah, see, the thing is, Roberto, I don't know. Nobody really knows, but like, what I'm looking at is the RSI, right? So if the RSI is all the way up here, what has happened the last couple of times that the RSI, or every single time that the RSI has been, up here? I guess it really didn't matter here because we kept going, right? But even there, from this top to the low, did we wick? No, we didn't. So that's around a 21% correction, which is around a $5,500 drop. So, but a 21 correction from here is going to be a lot more. It's going to be like 16,000. So, I don't know. I just don't like the fact that the RSI is overbought. That's all I'm saying. And we really need to take that into consideration. Oh, also the fact that the fear and greed index, it's in extreme greed right now. So right now it's like literally an extreme greed. So I'm not trying to FUD you. I'm not trying to scare you. Theoretically, all of us should already be in. So it doesn't matter, right? All of us should already have our coins right now. So if your coins are running, then they're running. If they're not, like my coin's not running. So for me, if you're in the same boat as me, and you're holding a coin that hasn't had a recovery bounce, like look, I really haven't had a recovery bounce. I'm near the all-time lows. It's only 72% up from the all-time lows from last year, right? So if you're in the same boat as me, that's the only time that it's concerning. Because with any sort of breakdown, then you're looking at possibly retesting or breaking below the all-time lows. Yeah, I'll take a look at XRP and HBAR. So let's take a look at those two for you. Take a look at Hedara. So we had a nice move up, actually. Congratulations on that. Did that put us macro bullish? Yes, it did. We just blew past the 382. Very bullish as long as we stay over the 382. I'd say as long as we stay over that, next target is 19 cents, 32 cents, and then 58 cents, and then up to $3.26 around these areas. So very simple for HBAR, and very simple when coins actually break over and stay over the macro 382s. Because when coins stay over their macro 382s, and if you actually bought at the lows, then not only are you in the money, but also you get to decide at what point you want to sell to secure profits. So you could choose like, oh, I'll sell some at 19 cents. I'll sell some at 32 cents. I'll sell some at 58 cents. And then I'll sell the rest of the bag up to $3.26. Or I'll just hold that bag. So again, very simple. These are all the targets for HBAR. Thank you. I agree. Nice to meet you, VibeCat. Oh, that's funny. I agree, like me and my cat coins. Yeah. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Johan. I appreciate that. I appreciate the comment. Let's see. Consolidation is a good thing. It opens up the possibility of an alt rally. Yeah. And it gives you the opportunity if you didn't like buy all in, or for people that are selling on the way up. It gives them the opportunity. So like, for example, for GSC, for example, right? For anybody that was buying the lows and, they were selling on the way up, two of their targets got hit, right? So if like two of their positions got hit, then you know, you say you have like $1,000 or $2,000 in your bank, and that's all just profit from getting these targets hit. And then you look back in 6 months and you see GST at like all the way back down to where you were, like where you bought, then you could even buy double the amount of coins, or whatever the percentage ends up being. So I agree. I think it's a good idea. I think it's good that it does happen. So because we surpassed the all-time high and we'll make a new support, right? Yeah. So because we surpassed the all-time high, we did make a new support. We are at a new support right now. Bitcoin's in price discovery. That's the thing. Nobody really knows like how high it's going to go as of right now. But once we establish the top, then we can establish some sort of support. But as of right now, like it'll change tomorrow. It'll change the next day. And then looking back, if 94,000 was the top, then we can establish some sort of like long-term macro areas of support and resistance. Turbo for flip coins. So Turbo is actually stuck in resistance right now. Unfortunately, if we do break below 2083, which we're actually a little bit over right now, you are looking at support at 207. As long as Turbo stays over 208, and once it breaks 209, every target on the way up is still valid at around 1 cent 30, which is the previous high. And then you're looking at up to around 2 cents, which as of today is going to be around a 142% to 2 cents. So can you take a look at BTC dominance after this one is very important for the market? Thanks, man. When my coins pump, I'm going to send you some nice emojis. Oh, that's really kind. Thank you so much for that. You totally don't have to. I appreciate you saying that, though. And yeah, thank you. BTC dominance. I mean, are we still at 60%? That's not good if we are. Yeah, we're still at 60%. So, like, unfortunately, why isn't this breaking? It sucks. We've literally just been making higher lows across the board, and it sucks because every single time we come down and we think we're gonna break down, we actually make a higher high. So a higher low and higher high is like very, very, very bearish for alt season. So I'd say no alt season until Bitcoin dominance drops below 55%. So keep in mind, no alt season as of right now until Bitcoin dominance drops under 55%. So let's check others. Yeah, others looks like it's about to fall off the table, man. It literally looked like it just made a lower high, and it's just stuck in this downtrend. Dude, that's unfortunate, if that's actually true. So with others, I mean, we did hold it 236. So as long as others, like, you know, the others, the top 10 altcoins, as long as it stays over 232 billion, then, you know, we can get something like this, and we'd still be maintaining this uptrend. And then hopefully we get a squeeze and we get up on out of here. But you know, we might be like, so like the problem is, like, we might be here, right? So we had a nice move up here and we had a huge sell-off. So we had a nice move up here, and then we had a nasty sell-off, and then now we're starting to go up, right? So now, so we might be here, like where we're like about to make that little higher high, right? Where we did here. So yeah, I mean, I feel like it's around the corner. I don't think we're gonna drop. That's the thing. I think Bitcoin dominance, if anything, is gonna drop. But honestly, it's gonna be the next 5 months, and then I'm out. I am bouncing. I'll still have 10,000 OXD though, just in case. Hi bro, can you take a look at Trump SUI, please? Does it have Does it have 100x potential? What's up, Kumar? Welcome to the end of the live stream, kind of. End of the live stream. Trump, SUI. Very gamble coin. This is a very, 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 very gamble coin. Obviously, you know that. Very high risk, high reward. It has 335,000 market cap, fully diluted matches. Liquidity is not locked. It looks like it did pass all the green check marks, so no issues there. Very, very, very basic technical analysis states that as long as it stays over 4 zeros 24, you're looking at retesting the all-time high and then up to around 3 zeros 4 and then 2 zeros 4. Let's see if that's 100x for you. Yeah, that would be 116x. Well, that would put the market cap at around 30 million. So you just have to decide for yourself. Is this going to be the coin that goes to 30 million or not, right? So you have to figure that out for yourself, not financial advice. Can it go? I mean, if you show me a coin that's like 333,000 market cap and you're asked if I could go 100x, yeah, I think, you know, I'm used to seeing coins at like 5 billion, like 100 million, like 500 million. So for this is just gamble. And we've seen coins like the Department of Government Efficiency go like 100x in one day, right? This one. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one that went up like, you know, from the lows to the highs. Yeah, it went up 150x. So there was no charting that. But it is what it is. Give me 1 second. This is like not that good. Yeah, so just FYI, if you guys ever go to the store and they have like this like little hot chocolate thing where it's like a spoon, it's like a wood spoon with like a chocolate thing, and it's like, oh, it's instant hot chocolate. You just need to pour hot water in it. I would strongly advise against buying that. Not financial advice, not hot chocolate advice, but it did not work and it wasn't good, so I just threw it out. We're all about to get wrecked, sell everything. What's up, Anthony? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Maybe, or maybe not. Maybe. Funny thing is that most part of all charts look alike. They're all creating a wedge, either descending or ascending. Yeah, I know, and we just don't know which way it's headed, right? That's unfortunate. We're just gonna have to wait and see. How's Jesus coin looking? Oh, Brennan, did you still need me to look at... Oh, Jesus coin is still up. Well, hey Anthony, what coins do you want me to look at for you? We looked at a lot of coins so far, so yeah, no, it was way too good to be true. It was $1.39. It even had marshmallows in it, and what's crazy is that what, you know, it had marshmallows like in the chocolate. So assuming that it melted, the marshmallows would float on top of the cup. And then I just went and I was like, where are the marshmallows? Like, there were probably fake marshmallows that like dissolved in the hot water. There were no marshmallows in there. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, oh no, I'm cooked. I got ripped off. I got scammed. I got scammed out of $1.39. But for real, extreme greed right now has me worried. Yeah, same here. Especially because my coin's all the way down near its all-time low. So again, that's what I was saying. At least some coins are had a nice little recovery bounce, right? So they don't really have to worry about if there's a big drop because they're already in the money. But I was trying to explain this earlier where it's like, oh, like, hey, crap, my coin didn't recovery bounce. So if it doesn't go up when Bitcoin capitulates or has like some sort of retracement, then it's going to put me all the way back down to like the lows, which would suck. But yeah, that sucks. We also know that the pump isn't over. The start December, it's pretty normal, stagnant, but January is when our tokens do 3x every day. Every time. Yeah, January. Yeah, you're right. I agree with you. Especially like last time, right? You know, even with OXT, you could see this based on the chart, right? Like last January, like December was good, January was good, February was good, March was good. The first quarter was epic, 17 cents. And then like, you know, the second 9 months is absolutely brutal, but it is what it is. So yeah, I agree with you. I think that's why I'm like, hey, I want to be out by April of next year. So I'm out. Get me out. Track. Oh, this is the one on Coinbase. Origin Trail. Taking a look at track for flip coins. Yeah, so from the high to the low, we are very bullish over the 382. As of right now, we are actually getting stuck at the 618. So once that breaks, you're looking at $1.19, $1.57, and then up to 348, which as of today is going to be around a 270% pump. That is going to put the market cap around like 1.3, 1.2 billion. In terms of support goes, first of all, as long as it stays over the 382, which actually the 382 also does coincide with the area of support. So as of right now, it does coincide with the high from the high to the low. So as of right now, 71 cents, 81 cents needs to hold. $1.19 is next, $1.56, and then $3.52. And then what was its previous high? It was 268. So yeah, that does supersede that. Did they release any coins? It looks like they did. It looks like they did, but not that much. So I would say, yeah, I would say that is very possible as of right now. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Arrow sideways, Jasmine sideways, Doge is doing Doge. Yeah, we're always bearish. LOL, they rug pulled you in the marshmallows and flavor. Yeah, seriously, it was like drinking like disgusting water, like disgusting hot water. It was not good. Close to breakout of the range. Let's go. I'm bullish on OXT. I'm bearish on OXT. Let's go. Headed back to being outside the top 500 where this trash belongs. Damn, so much hate. Yeah, dang, that's pretty messed up. I'm just gonna type bullish though. Have you looked at Elon yet? Yeah, so we actually have a saved graph for DOGECOIN. Unfortunately. Yeah, so for DOGECOIN, we are. Yeah, so this is very bearish. So if we don't get a bounce from the moving average, it's gonna go all the way back down. So, not good. Oh yeah, Gearhead, I gotta look at Gala for you. That's right, I forgot. Yeah, so from the low to the high, yeah, we're at the 0.5. Next area support is around 60617. So Unfortunately, the box didn't hold, so at this point we do need to delete this because it did not hold. So yeah, that sucked. So as of right now, as long as it stays over 17, we can argue for a reversal. We do have a lot of resistance on the way up because as of right now, in the way that it stands, you do still have resistance at 22. So we broke below it, so not good at all. Not financial advice, unfortunately, for Dogelon Mars. Come back after the election for Dogelon. So I sold half my Gala bag yesterday. Can you check it, please? Yeah. Oh my god, wait, are we breaking down? What the hell's going on? Wow, this was just at 8 cents. What the oh shit, man. You gotta be kidding me. It's okay. It's my fault for investing in a VPN. Hey, it's a good idea. Like it's like it's a good idea. Damn. It's all good. It's fine. Whatever. Yeah, but Gearhead, we haven't even moved. Like alt season hasn't even started. So just wait until alt season starts, and then after alt season's done, we're all cooked. We'll be back in 4 years. But at that point, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do this. So this is what I'm gonna do actually, and we're gonna track this for the next 4 years. So if you want to get old with me, you guys can watch me for the next 4 years. But true story. So what we're gonna do is, like we've done every single time. Well, not every single time, but what we do right now is, for example, last time we said, you know, from this previous low to the high for Bitcoin, we had 34,000, 22,000, 16,000, 11,000, 7,000. So theoretically, we're going to have money this bull run, right? Hopefully, we have money this bull run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start buying at I would have personally started buying at the 618, so I would have missed out. Maybe this time I'll do the 0.5 just because we see this. But look, perfectly, if you would have started buying at the 0.5, you would have bought the exact low, and now that position would have been up like significant. We're going to do this with all of our coins and the coins that we believe are going to go high. For next cycle, I'm hoping to just be in Bitcoin. I don't want to be in any other degen, gambling, random coins. I want to actually buy Bitcoin for the next cycle. So for the next cycle, so like for example, and I hope this makes sense because again, if you're going to be watching for the next 4 years, then it's really important to know because we're going to make our money in the next 6 months and then we'll have that capital. We'll just let it sit. We'll wait. We just got to wait. Okay. So given, for an example, if the top was 94K, like it was right here, we would do this. I would be like, hey guys, like we're going back down. Like if this is the top from the low to the high, I'm going to start buying Bitcoin at 38K, right? Because that's the 0.5. You could do it anywhere else. Like maybe I'll, you know, do a small bag at 47,000 or whatever. But I'm going to start at 38 and then I'm going to do 31 and then I'm going to do 23, right? So these are going to be my points. So no matter how long it takes, whether it takes 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you know, how long did this take, right? Like how long was this slow, deadly bleed that we all sat through for the last 4 years of our lives, you know? This was 422 days. So it took 422 days. So that's going to push it out to, yeah, so we would bottom January of 2026. And then it took a whole nother, you know, like 422 days to get back to the all-time high. So how long is that going to take? Yeah, we're going to be old. It's going to be, I mean, I don't even, it wouldn't even project that far out. It just stops at 2026. Okay, so whatever. So you see what I'm trying to say, 2027, 2028? So, like, we'll know, like, oh, hey, like, whether, you know, whatever happens and if this thing bleeds for the next 4 years or whatever, like, you'll know, like, hey, like, I'm buying here, and I'm buying here. And it's going to be Bitcoin. I'm not going to buy any other, like, you know, altcoins and things like that. I do think, oh, no, Bitcoin's dropping. Hold on, let's look. Is it over? Are we done? I hope that made sense. And then Gearhead, I'll take a look at Gala for you in a second. Let me just pull up Bitcoin on the. Let me pull up Bitcoin on the like 30-minute chart because I need to see this breakdown. I need to see my money disappear. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at Gala. I mean, Gala's still up 18%. Yeah, this is looking really solid, actually, for Gala, because, you know, we're getting a Bitcoin pullback right now, obviously, but, you know, we get a pullback, and Gala's still up. So, yeah, it's not looking too bad, actually, for Gala. So, from the high to the low, oh, yeah, so we need to stay over, we're cooked, or sorry, not we're, but you're cooked at, if it breaks below 27.84. If it does, we're going to come back down to the 236. Does this coincide with any of the macro targets? Let me see. No, it doesn't. But we're not over at 37 anyway, 34 anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so the only thing you need to know is as long as Gala stays over at 2 cents 70, then Gala to the moon. But if it breaks below, then we're probably going to get a bigger move down. So no financial advice, just my opinion. I really hope you make it, Gearhead. You don't need to know. I know the levels. Oh, okay. Sorry. I just thought you wanted me to look because I know you're Gala Moon Boy. And also compare Elon chart with the fake one to the real Dogelon Mars chart. Very similar, but looks to be ahead of us. Oh, you're talking about the other random coin? There's like a fake Elon coin. It's this one, right? I mean, I feel like it looks like no, it looks like Dogelon. Oh yeah, the first Elon's going faster than this one. Yeah, I see that because we moved sooner, and then Dogelon Mars moved. But yeah, this thing looks like it's dumping, which means that Dogelon Mars it looks like it's about to dump. Once we break any new levels, I'll ask for an update. You got it. I'm just so used to people asking for, you know, even though we haven't really moved, people are like, hey, can you look at my coin? So I just assumed. But yeah, you got it. I'll do that. Oh no. From the high to the low, from the east to the west, from the north to the south, we are going to the south. We are going to the South Pole. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Looks like we're going down, but we'll see. I mean, Dogelon Mars, this is heartbreaking right now. Why is this, like, why are we breaking down? Like, how are we breaking down? Oh, we're back. Yeah. I mean, did it even keep anything, though? Right? Like, how high did it keep? So I guess from this low, it's still up 59%. That's good. I mean, it went up 144, so 141, so that's pretty good. I guess what was this drawdown, right? It was 46%. So what would 46% be? Yeah, like 15, which actually is around the 786. So yeah, they have check vision problems, check phone syndrome. That's why they ask every day, even though we don't move. Yeah. Oh yeah. I've definitely done that in the past too, where I'm like, hey, like I know nothing has happened, but like I think people just need to hear it. Like maybe like they see something, or maybe like there's something. But yeah, you're right. Like once you know the targets, you know the targets, and that's exactly what like what my game plan is with my coins, right? So like, um, you know, you're like literally it's just sell, and that's it. Like I don't even need to really look at it anymore. It's just a waiting game until your sell targets actually hit. Yeah, Dojo on Mars. I hope it goes. I hope it doesn't. But if it does go back down, we're probably gonna be hitting 15 to 17. So, if and that's if we don't bounce from the moving average. So keep in mind, last time when we broke over, we actually came down and tagged it, and we got a bounce. So this time we might do the same thing. We might come down and we might bounce from the 200-day moving average. Okay, and if that happens, and if we make a lower high, then it's bearish. And just remember that we're going to go back down, and we're probably going to go even lower. So just as long as you're aware of that, then you should be fine. How's Jesus Coin looking? I really want to get this before Christmas, but it looks like, dude, it's like so high up right now. I don't know, maybe I will. Maybe I will. We'll see. With that being said, I think I got everyone's coins. I'm not sure if I missed anyone. I'm sorry if I did. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it. You know, we've been live for about an hour and a half now. So I think that's a good amount. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all my opinion. Thanks for everyone stopping by and hanging out in the live stream. I appreciate all the super chats. I appreciate all of the comments and all of the support. That's awesome. I'm going to be live streaming again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Pacific time, same time. I'm planning on streaming every single day. This, in case like I have to say it every single time, but I'm streaming every single day this month. And then in December, it's going to go back to like Monday, Thursday, and like a weekend. And it's not going to be as often. It's going to be like twice, 3 times a week. Again, thanks everybody who stopped by. I will catch you guys in tomorrow's live stream. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't break below 92,000. And yeah, I hope we all make it. So have a great night, and I'll catch you guys in the next live stream.